AI isn't coming, it's already running the smartest companies. Most businesses are stuck doing repetitive tasks that AI can handle instantly. That means missed opportunities, higher payroll, and slower scaling, costs that quietly grow every day and hold your business back. At StradiMark, we build AI agents and automations that replace repetitive work, cut overhead, and free your team to focus on growth that actually moves the business forward. From customer support to lead qualification and marketing, our AI systems work non-stop, responding faster, qualifying smarter, and driving consistent results around the clock. You save time, cut costs, and scale faster with intelligent systems built to perform, adapt, and grow with your business. StradiMark, the AI agency helping businesses scale smarter. Visit StradiMark and start scaling smarter today.